It's the day after my birthday, and we're taking a boat tour here in the Everglades.
How about that? Okay, folks, look, before we start here, I'm gonna let y'all know, keep y'all hands inside of this, please, because this guy right here, he can jump about this high. Okay, well, no, he can jump straight up. He's not gonna jump in the boat, I promise that. Okay?
He knows you.
If he does, he's coming for me, okay? He's not, he knows me well.
That's our buddy Steve. He's a local.
All right. Oh.
So he's going to feed the alligator marshmallows, and then we've got these little birds up here that are also eating marshmallows.
Oh. Boy. Go get it. It's right on side of you. You want another one? Num, son. Come on. Look, see how quick, see, he's like, I just want your arm. That's it. Just an arm and I'll go away. And then tomorrow a foot.
Yeah.
Come here, Bill. Come on.
And I know they use their tail to push them out the water. Can they can't clear the water, right?
When you get back, look up on YouTube, alligator goes after drone.
Okay.
You will see an alligator launch himself out of the water going after a drone. And I mean, that much of his tail is left in the water.
Wow.
Is drone allowed in this area?
What's that? Drone?
Yeah.
No sir. We try to keep them out. This is all reservation. This is where the Miccosukee came to evade the Seminole Wars. Scavenger birds.
Oh, turkey motion.
Yeah.
But that was turkey. So.
Off from the Seminole to make their own tribe because they didn't want war. So they came here, which was the best place they could go. Nobody can find them.
Yeah.
They made canoes out of cypress, and they would pull everything they needed here and build. The palms they would pull down, they would build the top of these. They're called chickies. Sleeping and living chickie, and then that would be the dining chickie there. Okay? During the storms, they would take and knock these poles down and pull the top of the chickie on the ground, and they would sit on the rafters, okay? And then the children would hold on to the sides so that they would protect them from the debris and the wind from the hurricanes, and then also so they would have something to build from after.
We just stopped by this Indian village that has been around since the 1800s, and the actual tribe used to live here, but it was vacated, and now the owner of this land, who is part of the tribe, uses this as part of the tours. But they have a few things here that are still from the 1800s, like a stick that they used to cook with, and some of the totem poles that were made from cypress trees. So those are sacred items here, and those are pretty cool. And right now we are walking around a 5-minute loop that is on a boardwalk that kind of circles the area and kind of shows us the surrounding environment. So we're getting to check out the swamps. It's actually really, really cool. Any baby gators?
No.
Backyard lizards? On the property there are these plants called air plants, and they don't need dirt or water to grow. They get all that they need from the air. So that's also very, very cool. And there's a bunch of them here in and around the area.
And it's helping today.
We have finished with the Indian Village. Now we're going to the next destination,
I love that.
which I'm not sure what the next destination is, but I'm sure it'll be cool. Another local alligator. He's over here sitting in the grass, chilling out, waiting for us to come by. Out come the marshmallows.
Is he coming out? Are you coming out? Huh? Look how big he is, huh? Jimbo's 11.5 feet. That's a big old puppy dog, ain't it? Oh, he's going to get it. Look, he's going to get yours, huh? Oh, look at that. He got your marshmallow. He's got another one. Believe me, he's going to get it.
This is Jimbo, the 50-year-old alligator.
Yep, and this is his area right here. He's usually over there on that floaton, which is the floating rain.
What?
Oh. Jimbo. Oh. See how his neck, the jowls?
Yeah.
And if you look, he's actually missing a couple of scoots on his back over there from fighting.
Giving the cage or?
Yeah, I have a 2-story canary cage for him, big old canary cage. And he comes out, he plays with my Rottweiler, or Rottweilers.
Why not give him a marshmallow?
Because he can't see that far back.
So that wasn't Fred, that was Jimbo, and he is a 10.5-foot gator.
Here, hold my hand.
So he weighs about 600 pounds, and he loves marshmallows. Alright, well that was a quick but fun video. I enjoyed going out on the tour, seeing some of the alligators, feeding the alligators marshmallows, although I don't know how healthy that is for them. But it was a great time, and I'm excited for what comes next.